My name is Andrew. I am a rising senior that is attending to Kennesaw Mountain High School, and I chose the Arduino Pong game project. So I'm sharing my screen so far. So what I did is I have a picture on the side where I have the controllers with the potentiometers that is connected by wires into my Arduino right there. And the knobs are the ways to control the paddle. So there's two paddles because there's two potentiometers, and it would control depending on twisting the knobs, and it would be put into this Arduino code right here, is displayed right here with the different inputs and outputs, and it's all, and the processing side, I use processing to map out all my ways to have different ways to function through coding. So I have my ball class right here, and then my paddle. So since this was a very heavy coding project, I did a lot of this stuff through coding. So I'm just gonna run it right now to show that it works. So my right paddle, as I'm moving my right paddle, it's going up, and then my left paddle is going up as well. So, and then, oh, I also added a scoring system that would also detect that whenever someone scores, it puts a point on the side that obviously got the point, like how Pong works. So that's something right there as the points go up. So what I did was very challenging. I would definitely say is definitely the coding side, and all that was put through the coding. Maybe like the collision part. So like I had struggled with learning the codes and seeing where the paddles will hit the ball, and I also made it so it doesn't hit onto the roof in the bottom as well, because like that's how usually Pong works, and that was really challenging to me. So what I've learned is a lot of the advanced coding, a lot of the advanced coding, and definitely um, piecing all these together. And definitely one my the fun aspect, or my favorite aspect of the project, is definitely probably constructing the controller, because I never knew this would like be possible, that I could set up potentiometers, plug it into an Arduino, and then you could set up a Pong game with the paddles and make it work. And another thing is probably the coding, the heavy intensive coding. So, any questions?
I have a question. The paddles that like you're controlling, did you have to wire up all of that by yourself, or does it kind of come like already working?
So I had to wire them up by myself with so I would usually put some of the wires in the 5 volts for inside my Arduino, and then just connect it through. Yeah.
Awesome.
I have a question. What was your favorite thing you learned, like in terms of programming? Like, what was your favorite?
The favorite thing I learned throughout this program is definitely the different classes, because you could set a ball in a certain class and a paddle in a separate class as well. That's something that was very interesting. And another thing could be maybe the collision. After learning all like what I didn't know about, like coding or implementing in the collision, I think that was really interesting then, and that's how it worked.